There is a second issue that face recognition research has identified as a problem for eyewitness identification. This is that people are usually excellent at identifying familiar faces, but are typically poor at recognizing unfamiliar faces. This is a problem for us because eyewitnesses are often being asked to see if they can identify the faces of strangers that they may have only seen once before. That is, our specialized face recognition mechanisms are designed to tell apart familiar faces, not unfamiliar faces, because that's a task that people typically need to do. It's crucial for everyday social interactions to be able to tell apart people you know. It's less crucial to be able to tell apart different strangers, especially in evolutionary contexts where our hunter-gatherer ancestors might not have met strangers very often. Studies have found that people are poor at recognizing unfamiliar faces, even if they're not having to hold that face in memory. This means that if the perpetrator of a crime is known to an eyewitness, then identification is unlikely to be an issue. But if they're a stranger, then it becomes a significant problem, as we saw with Lydell Grant, who was misidentified by 6 separate people. In fact, there's a further problem, which is that people tend to rely more on what's called external features when they are identifying strangers. By external features, we mean things like hairstyle, hair color, beards, and hats. These external features are exactly the sort of things that are most likely to change in an eyewitness context. So, psychological science has helped us identify all these problems with face identification, but can it also help us to come up with a solution?